I'm going to do before we get started on anything is finely chop these 2 green onions. I'm also going to use the green part. I have 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese. I'm going to go ahead and unwrap and put into our bowl. This recipe originally calls for equal parts of cream cheese and crab meat. I'm just going to use 4 ounces today. You can also use imitation crab meat if you want. So I'm going to go ahead and add this. I just noticed this has got paper in it. I've never bought crab meat in a can before. So I'll go ahead and get this in here. Now I'm going to go ahead and add our finely chopped green onions. That's about 1/3 cup of green onions. Now what I have in here is 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 1/2 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Go ahead and add that. I am going to add just a little bit of sesame seed oil, just a little bit. This stuff goes a long way. That was not much at all. And I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Now we need to mix this all up. I have our cream cheese mixture all mixed up. And I have my wonton wraps. I got these at Walmart just in case you're interested. I'm going to go ahead and take a few out. Okay, we're going to take some of our water and go around the outer corners, edges. I'm going to take about 1 teaspoon of our cream cheese mixture and put it into the center. Then we're going to want to bring all 4 corners up. And then we want to seal these together. Sorry, I'm not that great at explaining, but hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Make sure you get these sealed good. I cannot stress that enough. No matter how good I think I have these sealed, a little bit still seems to ooze out during the cooking. Now if you want, you can put cream cheese mixture in here and flip it over and seal. I'll go ahead and do one for you like this. It's easier, but it's not as pretty. I'm going to kind of spread it out a bit. I'm going to go ahead and flip this over. And press and seal. Okay, now I'm going to grab the air fryer basket real quick. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put our Crab Rangoons in. I am not going to spray these with oil because I've done it both ways. I see no difference. Again, on some things you need to, and some things I find you don't. And with this, I find you don't. Now, if you want to, by all means, go right ahead. Now when I made these before, I put these on 400 for 8 to 10 minutes. I think I'm going to do 380 today. I'll tell you why. because these right here get dark brown quicker. I mean, it wasn't bad, but I kind of like to have an even color. So I'm just going to lower the temperature a bit to see if that helps. I don't know. Okay, let's move on over to the air fryer. We don't have far to go today. Okay, I'm going to do 380. I'm just going to go ahead and put it for 10 minutes. I'm going to check it probably around 7 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Take a peek. See if you can see that. See, no matter how good I think I have these sealed, some still oozes out. But so far I'm liking how the color's going. It seems to be pretty even, so I'm liking this 380 temperature. I'm going to go ahead and let this go for the remaining 3 minutes. And we'll see how they're doing. They just might be done. Our 10 minutes is up. These are done, but I'm not happy with it oozing out. So I just went ahead and cleaned these up. It was real easy. Just take a spoon and it just comes right off. Okay everyone, I'm really pleased on how these turned out, even though they oozed out a little bit. The 380-degree temperature was perfect for these. Again, if they do ooze out, just take a spoon and it comes right off. If it was just for me personally or my family, I wouldn't care. But if were having guests over, I would not want that on there. Before I go, if you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. I upload videos weekly. Also, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, everyone. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you soon.